Hey, we're live. I'm pretty low on energy, but no excuses. This is Marcus Bodycoding Live. New footwork every day. Yeah. Marcus Bodycoding Live. New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see? Watch the move first. Tap cross 8. Watch for yourself. Let's go. Again. Yeah, let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go together. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We go forward, step, tap to the back, step, and tap, cross, open, open. Now the same with the right. Let's go. Step, tap to the back, step, and tap, cross, open, open. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. We step, tap to the back, step, tap, cross, open, open. With the right. Step, tap to the back, step, and tap, cross, open, open. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Amazing. Remember, no excuses in the rain, in the gas station, everywhere. And remember, these are universal moves. Yes, universal moves means that you can use them dancing in any dance style that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, rumba. Yes, whatever style that you want. Wait. You still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, I want to see you. Yeah. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in a mirror. But practicing, of course. Are you ready? Let's start with the left. Let's go. Step to the front. Tap to the back. Step to the back. Tap. Cross, open, open. Now with the right. Step, tap, cross, open, open. Again. Step, tap, cross, open, step, tap, cross, open, open. You can enter the shoulders doing the tap. Let's try it. Pam, 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 pam. Cross, open, open. Shoulders. Da, 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 da. Cross, open, open. With the open, open, you can open your hand just like that. Like think that you have water here and you do that. Let's go. Shoulders, shoulders. Cross, open, open. Yeah. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, I cannot believe that you stayed till now. I have a bonus for you. You want to practice with me this move, tap cross 8, in the studio? No rain, for free, anytime you want. You want that? So check the link. above, below, or wherever the link might be. And if you're seeing this on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio, go to my YouTube channel and search for the move tap cross 8. Yeah, this is the move. And of course, remember, these are universal moves. This Marcus Body coding. We code universal moves. Why universal? So you can use them in any style that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, whatever style that you want. Remember, no excuses. So let's say today, no excuses. So today, in today's party, do that move. Show off a little bit, yeah. But what happens if you forget the move? If you forget the move, you can go to the corner, take your phone, practice with me wherever you are, then go back to the party and do the move. Yeah! But do this today. Why today? Why today? Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So, see you tomorrow then.